Neural tissue. They are responsible for the control of body's responses to the external stimuli. They show or exhibit the greatest control over the body's responsiveness towards the external stimuli. Neurons is the unit of neural tissue system. These are excitable cells, neuroglial cells, which forms 1/4 of this neural tissue system, are responsible for the protection of neurons. Whenever neurons get excited, electronic disturbances occur, which leads to formation of potential difference, and hence neurotransmitters are released and messages or signals from the brain is carried to different parts of the body and vice versa. Organ and organ systems. As you know, tissue give rise to organ and organs then give rise to organ system. In case of multicellular animals, these organ systems are responsible for the normal functioning of the body. Various physiological functions like respiration, digestion, excretion, reproduction, etc. requires properly developed organ systems. Let us take example of human heart. These organ systems or organs, they contain different type of tissues. These different types of tissues give rise to them. As you can see in heart is having epithelial tissue, which is the covering, connective tissue, and muscular tissue, that is myogenic tissue, which causes excitability or contraction, and neural tissue, which transmits the signal. In next topic, we will be studying morphology and anatomy. Morphology is when we study, in case of animals, when we study their external body features, and anatomy is morphology of internal structure. That is, suppose we take an animal and if we are studying its outer skin texture, organs present, outer limbs present, etc., it's morphology. But when we study its reproductive system, digestive system, excretory system, it's anatomy.